Hi students, in this session we are going to learn squares, how to find squares in a simple and easier way. We are familiar with expansion of a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now to find any two-digit square, we are going to apply the same formula here. See how we are going to apply this formula. Look at this question, 21 square. First digit considered as a equal to 2 and second digit considered as b. In the expansion of a plus b whole square, what will you get? A square, then 2ab, then b square. What is the value of a here? 2. A square, so 0, 4. 2ab, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 1, 4. So write it as 0, 4. B square, 1 square, which is 1. Now do the balancing. 1, this 0 will carry forward. 4 plus 0 is how much? 4. This 0 will carry forward. So 0 plus 4, again we get 4. So the answer is 4, 4, 1. Now here, what's the value of a here? 2. What's the value of b here? 2. Now a square, 4. 2ab, 2 into 2, which is 8. B square, 4. On balancing, 4, to carry forward 0, there won't be any change. Again, carry forward 0, you won't get any change. So 0 plus 4 is 4. In 23 square, first digit is A, second digit is B. Now, A square, how much? 4. 2AB, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. B square means 3 square, 9. So 9, carry forward 2. This will carry forward 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. So the answer is 529. Here, what's the value of A here? 2. What's the value of B here? 4. So A square means 4. 2AB, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. Again, B square, 4 square, which is 16 because B value is 4. 6. Now do the balancing. You'll get 6 here and this 1 will carry forward. 16 plus 1 is how much? 17. This 7 will appear here and 1 will get carried forward. So 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. So the answer is 576. 25 square. What's the value of A here? 2. What's the value of B here? 5. A square means 4 because A equal to 2. 2 square is 4. 2AB. 2 into 2 how much? 4. 4 into 5? 20. 5 square 25 because B value is 5. Now do the balancing. 5. Take this 2 here. 20 plus 2, 22. Let me write 22 here. We are dropping this 2 in the answer. And this 2 will carry forward. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. So the answer is 625. Now, what's the value of A here? A equal to 2. What's the value of B here? 6. Apply the formula. A square, 2 square is 4. 2AB, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 6, 24. And then B square means 6 square, 36. 6. 3 will carry forward. 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. Again, this 2 will carry forward. 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. 676 is our answer. 27 square. What's the value of A here? 2. What's the value of B here? 7. A square means 0, 4. 2AB, 2 into 2 into 7. 2AB, which is how much? 28. Then B square, 49. Do the balancing. 9. This 4 will carry forward here. 28 plus 4, 32. Drop these 2 in the answer. Carry forward 3. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. So the answer is 729. 28 square. In this, what's the value of A here? 2. What's the value of B here? 8. A square means 4. Next 2AB, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 8, 32. Then B square, 8 square, which is 64. Now do the balancing here. 4, 6 will carry forward, which will become 8. 32 plus 6, 38. Dropping 8 here and 3 will carry forward. 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. So the answer is 784. Now what's the value of A here? 2. What's the value of B here? 9. A square 0, 4. 2AB, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 9, 36. Then B square means 9 square, which is 81. 1. 8 will carry forward. 36 plus 8, 44. Drop this 4 in the answer. Carry forward 4 here. So 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. So the answer is 840. Now in this, what's the value of A here? 3. What's the value of B here? 1. So what's the first step? A square 0, 9. Next 2AB. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 1, 6. So 0, 6. 1 square, which is 0, 1. So 1. This 0 will get carried forward. 0 plus 6, 6. And this 0 will get carried forward, which will become 9. So 961 is our answer. Next 32 square. What's the value of A here? 3. What's the value of B here? 2. A square 9. 2AB, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12. Then 2 square, which is nothing but B square. Do the balancing. 4. 0 will get carried forward, which will become 2. This 1 will get carried forward. 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. So the answer is 102. 33 square. What's the value of A here? 3. What's the value of B here? 3. Now A square. A square means 3 square, which is 9. 2AB, 2 into 3 into 3, which is 18. Next 3 square, 9. Do the balancing. 9. This 9 will appear here. Next, this 0 will carry forward here. 18 plus 0, 18. So drop 8 here, carry forward 1. 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. So the answer is 1089. 34 square. What's the value of A here? 3. What's the value of B here? 4. A square means 9. 2AB, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. Next 4 square, how much? 16. Now do the balancing. 6 here, 1 will carry forward. 24 plus 1 is how much? 25. 2 will carry forward. 9 plus 2 is how much? 11. So the answer is 1156. 35 square. In this, the value of A is 3 and the value of B is 5. Apply the formula. A square means 9. 2AB, 2 into 3 into 5, which is 30. B square, 25. 5. 2 will carry forward, which will become 32. 3 will carry forward. 9 plus 3 is how much? 12. So the answer is 1, 2, 36 square. What's the value of A here? 3. What's the value of B here? 6. Now A square means 9. 2AB, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 6, 36. And B square, 36. Now do the balancing. 6. 3 will carry forward. 36 plus 3, 39. 9. And 3 will carry forward. 9 plus 3 is how much? 12. 1296 is our answer. Now, in 37 square, what's the value of A here? 3. What's the value of B here? 7. Apply the formula. A square means 9. 2AB, 2 into 3 into 7, 42. Then B square, B value is 7 here. So 7 square is 49. Drop 9 and carry forward 4 here. 42 plus 4 is how much? 46. 6. Carry forward 4 here. 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. So the answer is 1369. 38 square. So what's the value of A here? 3. What's the value of B here? 8. A square 9. 2AB 2 into 3 6. 6 into 8 48. Then B square 64. 4. 6 will carry forward. 48 plus 6 is how much? 54. Drop 4 here and carry forward 5. 9 plus 6 is 9 plus 5 is how much? 14. So 1 with 4 is our answer. 39 square. A equal to 3, then B equal to 9. A square 9. 2AB 2 into 3 into 9, which is equals to 54. 9 square 81. Drop 1 and carry forward 8. 54 plus 8 62. Drop 2 and carry forward 6. 9 plus 6 is how much? 15. So the answer is 15. 41 square. What's the value of A here? Value of A is 4. What's the value of B here? 1. Apply the formula. A square 16. 2AB 2 into 4 into 1 8. And B square 1. So do the balancing. 1 0 will carry forward. 0 plus 8 8. And 0 this carry forward. 16 plus 0 is 16. So the answer is 1681. 42 square. What's the value of A here? 4. What's the value of B here? 2. A square 16. 2AB 2 into 4 into 2. Again 16. 2 square 4. Do the balancing. 4. 0 carry forward. 16 plus 0 is how much? 16. So 6 and 1 will carry forward, which will become 17. So the answer is 1764. Here, the value of A is 4 and the value of B is A square means 4 square 16. Next step is 2AB. 2 into 4 8. 8 into 3 24. Then B square is 9. Do the balancing. 9 and this 0 will carry forward. So 24 plus 0 24. So 4. These 2 will carry forward. 16 plus 2 is how much? 18. So the answer is 1849. 44 square. So the value of A is 4 and value of B is also 4. 4 square 16. Next 2AB. 2 into 4 into 4 32. B square means 4 square 16. Now do the balancing. 6. This 1 will carry forward. So 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. Again, this 3 will carry forward. 16 plus 3 is how much? 19. So the answer is 1936. 45 square. So here A and B. What's the value of A here? 4. What's the value of B here? 5. Do the process. A square means 16. 2AB. 2 into 4 into 5. 40. B square 25. Now do the balancing. 5. These 2 will carry forward. So 40 plus 2, 42. Drop 2 and carry forward 4. 16 plus 4, 20. So 2025. 46 square. What's the value of 4? A equal to 4. What's the 6? Nothing but B. B equal to 6. Now A square 16. 2AB 2 into 4 8. 8 into 6 48. 6 square how much? 36. Do the balancing. 6. Carry forward 3. 48 plus 3 is how much? 51. Drop 1 here and carry forward 5. 16 plus 5 is how much? 21. So the answer is 2116. Now 99 square. A and B. What's the value of 9 square? 81. 2AB. 2 into 9 into 9, which is 162. 9 square 81. So 1. Carry forward 8 here. 162 plus 8. What's the value? 170. What is the number in the unit digit here? 0. Drop this 0 here and carry forward this 17 to here. 81 plus 17, how much? 98. So the answer is 9801. Once again, I'm repeating here. A square is 81. 2ab, 2 into 9 into 9, which is 162. And 9 square is 81. A square, 2ab and b square. And dropping 1 here, carry forward 8. 162 plus 8, 170 is a 3-digit number. What is the number in the unit digits here? In 170, 0 is there. The 0 we're dropping here. Now carry forwarding this 17. 81 plus 17, which is 98. So the answer is 980. Now look at here. 98 square. So what's the value of A here? 9. B value is 8. Same process. 9 square. What's the value of 9 square? 81. 2ab, 2 into 9 into 8, which is 140. 8 square is how much? 64. To the balancing. 4, 6 will carry forward. 144 plus 6, how much? 150. Drop this 150. In 150, drop 0 in the answer. Carry forward the remaining 2 digits here. 81 plus 15, how much? 96. So the answer is 9604. 97 square. Here, value of A is 9 and value of B is 7. A square means 81. 2AB, 2 into 9 into 7. 9 into 7, 63. 63 into 2, which is 126. 7 square, how much? 49. So 9, 4 will carry forward. 126 plus 4 is how much? 130. Drop this 0 in the answer and carry forward for the remaining digits. What are the remaining digits here? 13. If you carry forward here, 81 plus 13, how much? 94. So the answer is 9409. 96 square. 96 square, A is 9 and B is 6. 9 square is how much? 81. 2AB, 2 into 9, 18. 18 into 6, how much? 108. Then, how much? 6 square. What is the value of 6 square? Right, 30. Drop 6 here. Carry forward 3. 108 plus 3 is how much? 111. Drop this 1 in the answer and carry forward the remaining 2 digits. 81 plus 11, how much? 92. So the answer is 9216. 95 square. Here, A 9, B. Now look at here. A square, what's the value? 81. Then 2AB, 2 into 9, 18. 18 into 5, how much? 90. Then 5 square. Do the balancing. 5, 90 plus 2, 92. You're dropping 2 here and carry forward this 9. 81 plus 9 is how much? 90. So the answer is 9025. 94 square. In 94 square, A value is 9, B value is 4. A square is how much? 81. Then 2AB, 2 into 9, 18. 18 into 4, 72. Then B square means 4 square, 16. Now do the balancing. Drop 6 here, carry forward 1. 72 plus 1 is how much? 73. Drop 3 here and carry forward 7. 81 plus 7 is how much? 98. So the answer is 9836. Here. In 93, what's the value of A here? 9. What's the value of B here? 3. Apply the formula. A square means 9 square, 81. Next step, 2AB, 2 into 9 into 3. 2 into 9 is how much? 18. 18 into 3 is how much? 54. Then 3 square. So, which is 9. Do the balancing. 9, 0 carry forwards here. 54 plus 0, 54. 5 will carry forward. 81 plus 5, how much? 86. 86. 92 square. What's the value of A here? 9. What's the value of B here? A square means 81. 2AB, 2 into 9, 18. 18 into 2, 36. Then B square means 2 square, 0, 4. Do the balancing. 4, 0 plus 6, 6. Carry forward 3. 81 plus 3, 84. So the answer is 8464. 91 square. What's the value of A here? 9. What's the value of B here? 1. A square, 81. What's the next step? 2AB. 2 into 9, 18. 18 into 1, 18. Then B square means 1 square, which is 0, 1. Drop 1. So 18 plus 0, 18. Drop 8. 1 plus 81, 82. So the answer is 8281. 89 square. What's the value of A here? 8. What's the value of B here? 9. A square, 64. 2AB, 2 into 8, 16. 16 into 9, 144. 9 square is how much? 81. So drop 1, carry forward 8 here. 144 plus 8, which is 152. Drop 2 in the answer and carry forward these two digits here. 64 plus 15, which is 79. 7921. 88 square. So here A value is 8 and B value is also 8. And 8 square, how much? 64. 2AB, 2 into 8 into 8, how much? 128. Then B square, 64. So 4, carry forward 6. 128 plus 6 is how much? 134. Drop 4 here, carry forward 13. 64 plus 13, how much? 77, which is the answer 7744. 36. 87 square. What's the value of A? 8. What's the value of B? 7. What's the first step? A square means 8 square. 8 square is 64. Next one. 2AB. 2 into 8, 16. 16 into 7, 1, 1, 2. Then 7 square means B square, which is 49. Now do the balancing. 9. Carry forward 4 here. So 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. Now carry forward this 11 to here. 64 plus 11, how much? 75. So the answer is 7560. What's the value of A here? 8. What's the value of B here? 6. A square means 8 square, 64. What is the next step? 2AB. 2 into 8 into 6. 2 into 8. How much? 16. 16 into 6 is how much? 96. Then 6 square, 36. Drop 6, carry forward 3 here. 96 plus 3 is how much? 99. Drop 9 in the answer, carry forward this 9 towards 64. 64 plus 9 is how much? 73. So 73696 is our answer. 85 square. In 85 square, what's the value of A? 8. What's the value of B? 5. A square means 64. 2AB, 2 into 8, 16. 16 into 5, 80. Then B square, which is 25. 5, 2 will carry forward. 80 plus 2, 82. Again, 8 will carry forward. 64 plus 8 is how much? 72. So the answer is 72. 84 square. So A and B. A value is 8, B value is 4. 8 square, how much? 64. 2AB, 2 into 8 into 4, 64. 4 square, 16. Drop 6, carry forward 1. 65. Drop 5, carry forward 6. 66 plus 4, how much? 70. So the answer is 7056. 83 square. What's the value of A here? 8. What's the value of B here? 3. So 8 square, 64. 2AB, 2 into 8, 16. 16 into 3, 48. What's the value of B square? 9. So 9, 0 will carry forward. 48 plus 0, 48 means drop 8 and carry forward 4. 64 plus 4 is how much? 68. So the answer is 6889. Look at here. In 82 square, value of A is 8 and value of B is 2. Now A square means 8 square, 64. And then 2AB, 2 into 8, 16. 16 into 2, 32. And 2 square, which is 0, 4. So 4, 0 will carry forward. 32 plus 0 is how much? 32. 3 will carry forward. 64 plus 3 is how much? 67. So the answer is 672. 10. 81 square. In 81 square, value of A is 8 and value of B is 1. A square 64, 2AB 16, B square 1. Do the balancing. 1, 0 carry forwards. So 16 plus 0, 16, drop 6 and carry forward 1. 64 plus 1, 65. 65, 6, 1. In 79 square, what's the value of A? 7. What's the value of B? 9. 7 square, 49. 2AB, 2 into 7 into 9, which is 126. 9 square, 81. Drop 1, carry forward 8. So 126 plus 8, how much? 134. Drop 4, carry forward 13. So 49 plus 13, what's the value? 62. So the answer is 6241. Now straight away 78 square. What is the first step? Write down 7 square, which is 49. Next 2 into 7 into 8, which is equals to 112. 8 square, how much? 64. Do the balancing. 4, 6 will carry forward. 2 plus 6 will become 8. Carry forward this 11 here. So 11 plus 49, which is 60. 6084 is our answer. Now 77 square. Straight away. First digit 7 square means 49. Next one 2 into 7 into 7. How much? 98. Again 7 square, 49. Do the balancing. 9. Carry forward 4. 98 plus 4, 102. Drop 2 in the answer. Carry forward 10. 49 plus 10 is how much? 59. So the answer is 5929. Now in the 76 square. So 7 square, 49. Next one 2AB means 2 into 7 into 6. How much? 42 into 2. 2 into 7 into 6, which is 84. Then 6 square, 36. Do the balancing. 6, 3 will carry forward. 7, 8 will carry forward. 49 plus 8, which is how much? 57. So the answer is 5776. 75 square. First step is 7 square, 49. Second step 2 into 7 into 5, which is 70. Then 5 square, 25. Do the balancing. 5, 2 will carry forward, which will become 72. Drop 2, carry forward 7. 49 plus 7, how much? 56. So the answer is 5625. 42 square. First step 4 square, how much? 16. Then 2 into 4 into 2, which is 16. Then 2 square, 0, 4. So 4, 0 carry forward. So 0 plus 16, 16, drop 6 and carry forward 1. 16 plus 1, 17. So the answer is 1764. 73 square. First I had to write 7 square. What is the value of 7 square? 49. Then 2 into 7 into 3. What's the value? 42. Then 3 square, 9. Do the balancing. 9, 0 carry forward. Then 2, 4 carry forward. 49 plus 4, which is 53. 72 square. Do the 7 square first, 49. Then 2 into 7 into 2, which is 28. Then 2 square, 4. 4. 0 will carry forward. So 8. 2 will carry forward. 51. 5184 is our answer.